Hey, what's up? It's Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me organizing my study area. As you can see, it looks so messy. I haven't cleaned it since the start of quarantine. It's been a long time since I used my desk really because I never have the purpose to use it for. And I don't like studying when there's really no school. Enough for the chit chat and let's start cleaning. First off is this dusty little box underneath my desk full of art materials and school related stuff that I haven't thrown away in case I might need it later on, and some projects that I made that are just too beautiful for my eyes to throw away. In here, I'm just taking things out that's not mine. Throwing things away like magazines and cookbooks, and of course I'm keeping those. Some art I did back in high school, I know that it's not really impressive, but I used to be interested in arts, and those are what reminded me of who I was back then, clearly just for the sake of memories. Yes, right. I saw these 1D stickers and photos while cleaning. Whew, old days. Cleaning can be very nostalgic. In here, I'm taking out the old into new ones. I know that it doesn't look aesthetically pleasing, but I like it this way because I multitask a lot, so I eat here as well. With this, I don't have to worry about the stains and I can just replace it with another paper. And don't worry about it, it's used calendar pages. We're almost done, you guys. Let me give you guys a mini tour. So this contains all the stuff I need for this coming semester, like notebooks, fillers, graphing paper, white, yellow pad, and a whole lot of scratch papers at the back. I remove all the unnecessary stuff, so there's a lot of space for the things I'm going to put later on. Maybe like printed modules. I don't know yet. Moving on. I have here my hard drives, flash drives, and SD cards. Also my Sci calculator, that's a must, and other school supplies as well. Inside this pencil case, I have all my refills for my pens. I use 0.4 for GTech and 0.5 for friction. This is actually my ate's laptop. It's old but it's still working. Although I broke it a year ago and this is the second time I've broken a laptop, just sharing. And that is why it's just there. I really can't close it and there's no other place to put it, so that's that. This is my laptop. Hopefully I don't break this anytime soon. I was editing the cutting my hair vlog at that time. If you have time, please check out my recent video, link below, or just go to my profile and watch all of my videos. Hehe. Now for the final reveal. Ta-da! There's not really much of a difference, to be honest. It's just cleaner, I guess. Thank you for wasting your 8 minutes with me. Hope you had a great day today, and please let me know if you like this kind of videos. I'm trying to experiment with my vlogging editing styles recently, so I don't know which one I like best. So yeah, thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this. Bye.
Calling